Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C21Y and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and let me volume up the device because it was muted. And right now we have to enter the sound. And let's scroll down a little bit, and as you can see here, we've got the whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the first and the second option because we can differentiate the ringtones between the SIM cards, or we can change it for the notifications or alarms. So let me pick, for example, the ringtone for the first SIM. It doesn't really matter. And after tapping on it, you can see the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top of the list, we've got the none option. So after picking it, your device won't notify you about any incoming call, so it won't have the sound feedback. What's more, at the very bottom of it, we've got the add ringtone option, and after tapping on it, you will be able to pick the ringtone which you, for example, downloaded from the internet and set it as the ringtone. So that's quite a cool option. But let me get back and let me pick something from the defaultly installed ones. Of course, you can listen how the particular ringtone sounds because before setting it. So simply tap on it and you will be able to hear it. Let me volume it up a little bit. And I hope that you can hear it. And if you're happy with your choice, just make sure that this option you'd like to set is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here. So it means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about incoming call. Of course, it will work the same with all other options. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your REALME C21Y. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.